Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm going shopping with my envelopes. I usually at the beginning of the video will pull the envelopes that I plan on using from my binders and then kind of have a game plan for what I plan on going to go buy. Because I do like to plan things out because that helps me to just be mindful of how I'm spending and, you know, take the appropriate envelopes with me before I go shopping. And yeah, that's usually what I do at this part of the video. But I already went shopping and I just didn't film this part of the video, so I'm just doing a little small intro just to let you know that I am going to be shopping with my envelopes. I have just grocery shopping, a little content shopping, which is cool because I haven't really shown that too much, and a lot of people always ask me like what I use my content envelope for. So I'm going out and buying things that I plan on making a video with, specifically at Dollar Tree, because right now their back to school stuff is out. And I've gone to one Dollar Tree already, so I'm just gonna be hitting up another one just to see if I can find some more things to do a video. And I'm trying to get things that are new that I haven't seen before since last year when I did this video. So you'll see that and just a couple of other little things. Also, I'm going to share my meals for the week, so you'll see that too. I don't share like the whole process of making them, but I just share like my prep of them, like after they've been prepped. So you can see that as well. And also grocery shopping, of course, for the week. But yeah, that's the plan for this video. So don't have anything to pull since I already pulled them, but I hope you enjoy seeing me shop with my envelopes this week. All right, so I've been busy working, organizing, doing all those kinds of things. I'm actually trying to organize all my planner stuff. This is like a small fraction of what I have that I need to go through because I plan on giving a lot of this away. I give a lot of it away to my patrons. So I'm just trying to go through everything and organize it. This whole bin is filled with stuff. I have my whole cabinet filled with, I have tons of stuff. But I'm super fortunate that I get sent this stuff for free, and so I'm able to share it with everybody, and then I can give it away too, which is nice. Right now I'm watching, I just wanted to share, I've been watching small shops, like other small shop businesses, like pack and make stuff, and I find that these videos really help me to like stay in that same mindset and do the same thing. So I've been watching, I just found this one, Lauren Heath, just started watching her today, but she's got a cute vlogging kind of videos, and that's helped me to stay like focused on doing the same thing. So I'm currently binging a lot of her videos today. But I've just been organizing my stuff and kind of like a little sneak of my desk. Oh, I want to share something on my desk too. But I am currently gonna order some food because I plan on watching House of the Dragon soon because the new episode's gonna drop soon. And I wanted to get some Wingstop because I haven't had Wingstop in a bit. I just wanted to share like what I plan on ordering because I do plan on using my eating out budget to pay for this, but I'll have to unstuff it later because I'm gonna place it online. I always place my order online for Wingstop because doing it in person it'll just take too long. So I always do it online, and then it's literally the closest thing to me. That's another perk of ordering from Wingstop, is it's like I could walk to it, but I'm not gonna walk to it. But yeah, I'm just going to pick this up in probably what, like 23-25 minutes, something like that. That's usually how it is. I'm just getting some classic bone-in wings. I like to get them all flat, so I do pay extra for that. And just some ranch and some veggie sticks. Oh, I'm just getting celery, a drink, you know, that kind of stuff. I'll share what I got. It's coming out to $23.67, which is basically most of my budget for eating out, but it's Wingstop. I don't go here very often, so I'm just gonna go here today and enjoy some Wingstop with House of the Dragon. Very excited about that. Also, I wanted to share one of the envelopes that I save for. So this is Scentsy, and this is one of the things that I like to buy. I love buying warmers and also the scent. So this one actually had a special scent. So these are like the wax melts. They're like the candle wax melts. I don't like using candles, but I like using the wax melts, and I love like the warmers from Scentsy because they do like collabs with Disney, so, and other companies. Like I have a Harry Potter one too. They're really, really pretty, very well made, and I mean, just look at it. Just, it's amazing. if you like Small World, if you like Disney. Like, how cute is this? I've had this boxed up for like the longest time. I haven't unboxed it. I don't even think this is available anymore because I bought it right when it came out. But I love this warmer. Like the little, it moves and everything. It's just so pretty. I've never had a Scentsy warmer that moves. So I'm super happy with this one. It's gorgeous. I could look at it all day. But this is one of the things that I save for when it comes to this envelope, are like these wax melts. If you ever wondered like what this is, I do like personally know a consultant, and I like supporting her and her Scentsy business. So I order from her. Actually, she used to be one of my mom's parents. Like, my mom's a teacher, so it was one of her kids' parents. And she used to live out here in San Diego, and she would drop orders off to me personally, but then she ended up moving because her husband's in the military. But she's super nice, and I love supporting her, and I love, you know, ordering Scentsy. I've always loved ordering from there. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because I love this warmer. It's so cute. I wish it was still available, but it's not. But yeah, love it. All right, so I got my food. I have the wings. I always get Hawaiian. Well, Hawaiian's kind of hiding. And original hots, I like spicy and sweet. So I like that combo. Have some celery, fries, of course, ranch. And I got a Dr. Pepper. Also, look at these cute little stickers my sister made. I'm convincing her to start a shop because she has the cutest little designs. Love them. And then I'm going to watch the new episode of House of the Dragon. Excited for that. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my food. Oops. Eat my food and enjoy the show. The total, almost 80, 71. Here's all this stuff. So, all done with grocery shopping. I got everything that I need. I think I actually forgot one thing, but that's okay. But I did get everything off my list, and I also got things off of the list because as I was going through the store, I realized, oh, this sounds good, that sounds good, that'll be good addition. Usually I don't really follow recipes too much, And especially for what I plan on making for lunch, I'm just going to do taco salads, and I just felt like, oh, you know, some corn sounded good in there and some beans. So I grabbed those. So yeah, I have all the taco salad stuff, taco seasoning. I got some ground turkey and yeah, corn. Got some corn. I got a few things of corn because I also want to do like corn, like Mexican corn with some tortilla cheese and just like, you know, have some like a corn cup. Those are always good. And then, oh, the chips are for the taco salad. Mainly it's my lunch, and then breakfast I'm gonna have just some parfait. So I got yogurt, raspberries, and strawberries because they're in season right now, so they're really cheap. I think these were like $1.77, so that's good. And then dinner, I have fish and rice and broccoli. No, I'm gonna do broccoli. And then I got potatoes, so I could do some potatoes with the with the fish. And then lettuce, salad. I got some cereal, trying a new cereal. I've tried this cereal before, I just haven't had it in a bit. Some cookies, because I like to have something sweet on hand, because I have a sweet tooth. I also got some salami, because I've been doing like little like snack boxes for work. Like I put cheese and I have grapes right now, and then I do some like strawberries and some like nuts, and that's been really good for towards the end of the day. When I'm at my desk, I can just like, you know, eat a little bit of stuff, but I wanted some meat, so I got some salami. But yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna be eating this week. My meals, I mean, people keep asking me to like show, like do, like cook with me. My kitchen is so small, I just cannot even fathom doing that. But maybe I will just show like my meals after they're done. So yeah, I might do that. Also, I got some Chick-fil-A dressing because this stuff is the best. I love that. I just want to give a shout out to that. And I always get limes and lemons. Oh, and I got mangoes. But yeah, you see all the things I got. But yeah, maybe I'll do that and just share like what my meals look like, so you can see that. And then I'll show like the fish stuff that I'm eating, because that stuff I bought like a few weeks ago, like last month. It's just in the freezer. But yeah, that's my grocery haul for the week. All right, so here's my lunch for today. Well, for this whole week, I've been eating taco salads. I actually should have bought some salsa, that's what I forgot to get, but it's fine. And then I have some chips that I just crunched up and toss in there. This is the dressing, so that's all good to go. But yeah, that's my lunch that I've been eating at work. And this is another thing that I've been bringing to work, just like a little like snack box for after lunch. Like towards the end of the day, I get really hungry, so I just have some fruit and some salami, cheese, and some nuts. That kind of helps throughout the day, but I usually eat this later in the day. But I just wanted to share this. Oh, also these containers are they're from Target. They were $5 each, which is really nice. They've got a really nice affordable collection over there. Also this has the silverware in it, if I can open it. It has a fork, a knife, and a spoon, which I used the spoon earlier with my yogurt, so I just need to wash that. But it comes with the fork, knife, and spoon. I think this was $5 as well. Everything was $5 from this line. So yeah, that's my lunch. That's what I'm gonna be eating, and then this is my little snack box. Okay, so I just wanted to share how it looks all mixed in. I have like the chips, the salad dressing, cheese, I have beans, I have ground turkey, corn, and the lettuce, and I believe that's it. So that's what I'm gonna eat for, it's pretty filling, so that's what I'm gonna eat for lunch. I just wanted to share it all like mixed together, because you couldn't really tell what was in my salad. So I just wanted to share my dinners that I'm gonna be doing for the week. I just prepped 2 days worth of fish. So for today and tomorrow, I have some potatoes. I just got those potatoes that I got at Walmart and just smashed them, olive oil, some of this like everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's. I just did the same thing to the broccoli. I like baking the broccoli. I like it a little charred. So that's the broccoli. And then this is the cod that I got actually a few Costco trips ago. This one's good. It's very tasty. It's very like, it's got lots of like flavor. So I like that. So I don't have to do anything to it. Just pop it in the oven. Just popped all this in the oven for like 20 minutes and we're good to go. So this is what I'm gonna eat. Probably just make like, I don't know if I'm gonna have a salad with it. I feel like this is a lot. But yeah, so fish, potatoes, broccoli. That is my dinner. So I wanted to share just the Dollar Tree hauls. Actually, this is from 2 visits, I think 2 videos worth of shopping with content. So I have this stuff here. I think this was my first trip. And then the trip in this video is all of this stuff. And then that pretty like little board. I think that one's really nice. Only $5, which is pretty good. But everything else was about $1. Actually, some things or $1.50 and $1.25, of course, the normal pricing. But yeah, that was a fun trip because I haven't actually seen a Dollar Tree in my area that has the more expensive things, like the $3, $5 items. So that was cool to see because now I know where one is. So I'll definitely be scoping that one out in the future a little bit more. But I plan on doing a video of this soon. I probably will film it actually today. Yeah, I think I have time to do that. So that way on the weekend, on like I think Saturday, I should be able to have a video up just sharing like very affordable planner items. I always love doing this kind of video because people really enjoy watching it, and it's nice to give very budget conscious, like budget friendly type of video if people want to get into planning. I've done also a cash envelope kind of version of this video that's done very well on my channel. So yeah, it's very nice. Love all the items. And then all these items I will end up giving to my mom. She's a teacher, so she always has like people and kids and stuff that she can kind of gift this to. So it won't go to waste. Although I am going to keep that. That's super cute. I just wanted to share my Dollar Tree haul, the final result for that. All right, so that is the shopping for the week using my envelopes. Thank you so much for watching. Usually at the end of the video, I would do a like updating my trackers and stuff, but I already did all that. Yeah, I only really had shopped from content this week. Groceries, of course I spent from groceries. Oh, I have $10 left from groceries. I probably will save this for Costco. I like to roll that over into Costco. Let's see, what else did I spend from? Oh yeah, it was just content. I really did, yeah, not too much, but that's all I needed to buy this week. So that's it. Did a little eating out too. So I think I showed that as well. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because I do put up a lot of content. So there's always something to watch on my channel. If you're looking for something daily to watch, I'm definitely here for you for that. But yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.